Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon and kia ora. I welcome you all from Onaji's kitchen from Auckland, New Zealand. Today we are going to make a chicken charcoal karahi. Da 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 da. So I tell you what we need to make the charcoal chicken karahi. I've taken this chicken with bones, like whole chicken in pieces. You can make the little pieces, but I was in mood to take the big pieces. So you can make it little smaller. So other spices I'm going to tell you is 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, the white one, julienne ginger, 2 tablespoons of dry coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of chili flakes, because it is going to be a little spicy, because I'm going to use the green chilies, 2 or 3 green chilies as per your taste. Then homemade garam masala at the end. You can take the recipe of garam masala from my channel, Onaji's Kitchen. You can find garam masala recipe, green coriander. There are going to be 4 to 5 tomatoes. I made the pieces like 2 to 3 pieces, and then some lemon for the end, and some for garnishing. I need some mint leaves and some black peppers at the end, salt as per your taste, and of course charcoal. Let's start. Let's go. So my dear friends, I put the flame on and put the oil in the pan, and I'm going to put this garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start. Let the garlic a little bit roasted. Let it be roasted in the oil, and once it changes the color, I'm going to put a flame on a little bit high, and then I'm going to put the chicken pieces in. Just a little bit of garlic. Once it changes the color, I get back to you. So as the garlic has changed the color a little golden brown, I'm going to put the chicken pieces. Just put all the pieces. You can make the size of the chicken as per your choice. Today I was not in mood to cut it in small pieces, so I'm just going to use it as it is. It was a medium size chicken. This one. I had washed the chicken with the vinegar and salt and toro. I like put the lot of water to clean it up, and then I dried it. So I'm going to fry it for a few minutes, like 6 to 8 minutes, and once it changes the color, then I get back to you. My dear friends, the chicken is a bit roasted, so I'm going to put some spices and tomatoes in it. I'm going to put the tomatoes. It is 4 to 5 tomatoes, because they're this karahi needs 4 to 5 medium tomatoes in it. So I'm going to put this dry coriander powder, just 2 pinches of turmeric powder, chili flakes, like half teaspoon, and a little bit of julienne ginger. The other one will go for garnishing. So just give it a good mix. And I'm going to cook it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to put the lid on and make the flame a little bit low, and going to cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to see you after 15 minutes. So the lid is going to be on, and we'll see you soon. So my friends, it is going to be 15 minutes, so I'm going to put the lid off, and I'm going to remove all the skin of the tomatoes like that, so it is the gravy looks, or the Karahi looks smooth. So it will be, so until I collect all the skin, I will get back to you soon. So my friends, I've removed all the chicken skin from the Karahi. So I'm going to put the, cook it like on the, I'm going to put the flame on high and cook a little bit of it for a few minutes until it is, one skin I can see is here. So I cook it properly until it is all smooth. I'm going to put the salt in it as per your taste. Mix it well and let it cook for a few minutes. Let it cook until it is smooth and cooked properly. The tomatoes are settled. I'm gonna see you soon. While it is cooking, now I can put a little bit of green chilies, and I will keep some for the garnishing, and a little bit of coriander, and I will keep some for the garnishing. Wow, what a beautiful aroma coming from the Karahi. Yeah, cook it well until the chicken is properly cooked. Please do not leave the chicken half cooked. It is not good for your health. So try to cook it very, very nicely and properly with love and kindness. Treat it. So until it is properly done, I'm going to see you after a few minutes. So my friends, I'm going to taste the salt and the pepper, like the spices. If you want to keep it like a bit spicy, please add more chili flakes. Or when I'm going to like not going to add any chilies because or the pepper, the salt is fine. I just had it a little bit more because when I was cooking it, I added a little bit pinch of salt. I felt it was a bit less. So for the chilies, I'm not going to put more because I'm going to put black pepper. I'm going to put the cumins now and let it cook for 2 minutes. because the aroma and the taste of cumin is, my God, very nice. So let it be settled in the meat or with the other spices. Let it make its place in the chicken, and I'm going to see you in a few minutes. I'm going to put the this charcoal on the flame to get it ready to put the smoke in it, the touch of smoke in it. So I'm going to put it on the flame while it is cooking. At this time, I'm going to put a little bit of touch of black pepper. Please do not put the black pepper in the start, otherwise the meat will look a little bit black. So I'm going to put the black pepper now, and if you want to check whether your chicken is about to cook or not, you will see when take a piece of leg piece, and when the meat starts leaving from this edge to here, it means it is about to cook. So I'm just, as you can see this flame, I'm keeping the charcoal ready for the touch of smoke. So once it is ready, I'm going to give you a tip to make the karahi most tasteful and more tasteful. Take a piece of butter, just put it on all the sides, and leave the butter in the karahi for 1 minute until it is melted. I put the flame very low. So I'll see you once I'm going to put the charcoal in the karahi. We'll see you soon. So my friends, now I'm going to put this garam masala on the top and mix it well so it is all settled and it is all mixed in the chicken. So now my charcoal is ready, and I'm going to tell you how to put the charcoal smoke. So my dear, just take a piece of foil, make it a double or triple, put it in the middle of the karahi or the chicken and pan, and take a last toast of the bread, and I'm going to put this one, keep the lid ready. I'm going to put this charcoal on the top here, on the toast. I'm going to put some oil on it, and let's see the magic. Here comes the magic. See, the smoke you can see is coming through whole pan under the lid. So while I'll give it 1 to 2 minutes, once it is all, the smoke is finished, it is all crystal clear here, from here, I will get back to you, because it is going to be 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to turn the flame off and let it settle. I will get back to you soon. So my dears, I'm going to check whether it is, because I can see whole lid is now, like you can see, it is crystal clear. Before it was full of white smoke. So I'm going to put the lid up, and look at, wow, what a smell, what aroma, wow. And I'm going to remove this one nicely, and wow, It seems like, look at this one. Our Karahi looks so nice, beautiful. And I'm going to now put it in a dish. I'm going to dish it out and going to show you the final look and the taste, how it tastes. And I see you in a minute. So, my beautiful friends, here is the final look of our beautiful chicken charcoal Karahi. So I'm going to taste it, how it tastes. Let's see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, the chicken is very nice and smoothly cooked. And I'm going to taste it now. Mmm, fantastic. The the touch of that butter at the end, the cumin, and the taste of garam masala, and the final touch of that charcoal smoke. Oh my God, it is really, you should try it. I'm 100% sure you're gonna like it. Please try the recipe. If you like it, give me good comments, suggestions, and like and share my video to um, someone else or with your friends and families. I'm going to say goodbye to you now, and next time soon we are going to um, be back with a new recipe. So I just pray to God that keep everyone safe, nice, and healthy. God bless you. Bye.